Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll take a close look at what ExpressVPN has to offer and why it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly virtual private network or VPN service. Also, if at any point you'd like to give this a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now, ExpressVPN is a popular virtual private network service known for its large, diversely distributed fleet of servers. This means you have a wide range of options to choose from when connecting to the internet, and you can be sure that you will always have a server nearby to connect to. One of the biggest advantages of ExpressVPN is its strong privacy and security practice, which makes your data and online activity are kept safe and secure when using your service. Also, ExpressVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is the same level of encryption used by the US military. This ensures that your data is protected from hackers and other cyber criminals. Additionally, ExpressVPN keeps no logs of your online activity, which means that your browsing history, downloading history, and online activity are not recorded. Now, this is great for people who are concerned about their online privacy and want to keep their online activity private. All of this is backed up by their frequent independent audit reports that prove the provider's no-logs claims. Another notable feature of ExpressVPN is its ability to use split tunneling. And this feature allows you to select which apps and websites run through the VPN connection, providing you with more control and customization options over your online experience. It's great for people who want to use a VPN to protect their online activity, but also want access to local websites and apps that may not be available when connecting to a VPN. Now, their interface of ExpressVPN is also stylish and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and use. The ExpressVPN app is available on a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. It's also available on browser extensions like Chrome and Firefox. On the downside, ExpressVPN can be quite expensive compared to the other VPN services on the market. The pricing plans of ExpressVPN are a bit higher than the other VPN services, but you do get what you're paying for. Another downside is that ExpressVPN does not offer multi-hop connections, which means you can't route your connections through multiple VPN services for added security. However, it does offer a feature called Network Lock, which blocks all internet traffic if the VPN connection drops for any reason, providing an extra layer of security and protection. ExpressVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service and see if it's right for you or not. Additionally, ExpressVPN offers excellent customer support with a 24 live chat and email support. They also have a large knowledge base with detailed tutorials and guides to help you troubleshoot any issues you may have with their service. So, to sum things up, ExpressVPN is a solid choice for someone looking for a reliable and secure VPN service. The large diversity distributed fleet of servers, strong privacy and security practices, split tunneling, and stylish interface are great features of the service. However, it comes at a higher price point and doesn't offer options for multi-hop connections. If you're looking for a VPN service that offers a high level of security and privacy and the best reliable in accessing streaming services, then ExpressVPN is definitely worth the price. It's a great choice for those who are looking for a VPN service that is easy to use, offers great features, and has excellent customer service. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in ExpressVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to respond to as many of those as I can. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.